Are you looking for a new daily income stream? Imagine earning $180 a day simply by typing in names. Each word, sentence, or page you write, you increase your payment. All you need is your smartphone or laptop and an internet connection to make real money every day of the week. The best part is you don't need any experience, degree, or capital. It's 100% free. You could even start today with this money-making method. Find out in this video how you can earn $180 and more every day by applying this online method. The latest way to create an extra income stream. By simply typing in names like Max, Sam, and Lisa, you can earn up to $12 per page. One page will earn you $12. 5 pages will earn you $60. And 15 pages will earn you $180. No inspiration to come up with 300 names for each page? Just go to your search engine and let it do the work for you. You don't have to worry about limits because the platform has no limits. You can type and write as many pages as you want. Before we go to the platform, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never forget to watch our exciting, money-making videos. The website we are going to talk about is talentdesire.com, a platform that offers various writing opportunities without investment to make money online and can be run globally from anywhere. At the top of their homepage, we can see their navigation menu consists of Start Here, Perks, Tools, Tips, Current Openings, Find Answers, Contact Us and Login. When we scroll down on the homepage, we come across a section called How It Works. First, you will have to select the right job for you that you can do from anywhere in the world. There are tons of opportunities to choose from, so don't worry, you will find the right typing job for you. After choosing your preferred job, Talent Desire will reach out to you and you will be able to enter a global network with plenty of new contacts to meet and work with. It will give your career a boost for the future. Next, you can start your assignment for possibly a very popular employer in a big sector. After the assignment is submitted, you can choose which payment method you want to use, such as PayPal. As said before, there are different jobs to choose from, such as online proofreading jobs, online paid survey jobs, medical transcription jobs, freelance blogging jobs, language translation jobs, online typing jobs, and many more. Today, we will be talking about online typing jobs. What is important to know, anyone can start with this extra income stream, from beginners to expert typists. As we see here, you can earn between $13,500 and $27,000 annually and even more if you want to. The only requirements for this job are basic knowledge of the internet and English, a minimum of 30 to 50 words per minute typing speed on the computer, and a high-speed internet connection. As mentioned earlier, anyone can start this side hustle, only you get more money per page as an expert than if you are still at a beginner level. Do you have doubts about your typing speed, or would you like to go to the next level to earn even more? No problem, the Business Factory has thought of that too. Meet Ratatype, a website where you can learn to type faster for free with the Ratatype typing tutor. Besides this functionality, you can also learn languages including English, Spanish, French, Russian, and even Ukrainian. However, we are focusing on improving our typing speed using the typing tutor. First, you can already test your typing skills by typing the sentence on this screen as fast as you can. Next, we get our results. To proceed, we must create a free account by providing details such as name and email address. After agreeing to the terms of use and privacy policy, we can proceed to the next page to improve our skills through different lessons. For each lesson performed, we get to see our current metrics such as our typing speed and the accuracy of our tests. Your current certificate can be found at the bottom right. At the end of this course, you will obtain your free certificate and will undoubtedly have improved your typing skills. As a bonus, you can show that you have passed this typing course, and employers will hire you faster and pay you better in the future. You can save the certificate in PDF format and print it out to present during real-life job interviews. Be sure to also watch the end of this video to know how to apply yourself for a typing job. After all, this is not obvious as the application form can sometimes be hard to find. Before we continue the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and let us know in the comments what you think of this online money-making method. Now we go back to talentdesire.com to show you where to sign up for a new typing job. The first step is to click Apply Now at the bottom of this page. Then you will be redirected to the next page and have to click on Select an application form. Pay close attention to the next part of this video because the registration process is not easy to find and fill in. We then scroll down again and see the online and offline application forms. For us, the online application form is important. As one of the last steps, we scroll down again and click on Fill in your details to apply and work with us. Once we reach the final page, scroll down to the bottom where we have to accept the privacy policy and enter our personal information such as first name, last name, and email. Anyone worldwide is welcome to apply for any job on talentdesire.com, such as residents of India, Germany, the United States, Pakistan, and more. Then it's time to fill in the professional information. Very important to know, type the preferred job title exactly as we have filled in here, namely Professional Data Entry Specialist. Fill in what time is best for you, and in which way you would like to receive your earnings, like PayPal for example. Then click on your current professional status and check the checkbox indicating that you agree with the terms of use and are over 16 years old. Definitely check what's the minimum age to be able to work in your country. In some countries the minimum age could be 18 years of age. Then type your full name in signature and tick the last checkbox indicating that you are not a robot. From now on, you will receive typing job offers in your mailbox where you will be able to apply for. Now you are all set to start earning $180 or more per day by typing jobs where you have to submit 300 names per page for $12 per page. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more content about making money daily. See you next time at the Business Factory.